we understand the rules, we understand the processes and the procedure. So if you are not a practicing courtroom lawyer, you may not understand the processes and you may interpret it in a different way. What all we said is that, yes, the court has made an order that file your witness statement. Now we are saying that whilst we are to file that, we had filed for review of the decision that was made earlier. And that review that we have filed with the interrogatories will have an impact on our witness statement. Now, one of the rules is that if you have asked the court for a stay of execution, or there is a procedural irregularity, or you think there is a problem with the process and you file for stay of proceeding, you don't go ahead and file another process, because the other side would say that you have taken a step. A step means that you have filed different processes. So you are undermining your own stay of proceedings. The rules also are part of the court's processes. So the rules also make room that you cannot undermine, or the rule says that if you file a different process, then that means you've taken a step. And if you've taken a step, then that means what you have filed for the stay or stay of execution becomes, moot. It becomes moot. So that is why we were following the procedure, the rules, and we came. So it is either we're looking at two things. If it is dismissed, our review, that means that the questions cannot be put in our witness statement, and we will have asked for leave of the court to file the witness statement. If it was granted, we will incorporate it into the witness statement and still ask for leave to file that, because there are circumstances which the court understand, and the circumstances were legal and they were procedural. That's why we could not file. So this is it. So if you don't practice in the courtroom or with the rules, you may not understand it. This is it. Those rights that is given us and the processes, that is what we are just going through. So if you see, the court hasn't got problem with us when those are filed. It is our opponent who thinks that you file these processes. And it means that we are reading, we are researching, and we are seeing the rules that can be applied. And we are making use of all those rules. Now, you said that, yes, you don't go on protest, no demonstration. They try to gag us, stop us from going on demonstration. They say, go to court. Go to court. If you have an issue, we are in court. We have fought and we said things that has been done is unconstitutional. And you see, when justice is being done, it must be manifestly seen that justice is being done. It also, the reverse is that justice hurried is justice buried. Right. That was why the Supreme Court in the earlier ruling said that although they accepted the CI 47, which is the rules we use in the High Court because it is not part of the Supreme Court, they used it in 2013. But this time, because of they want speed, expedition, they will not apply some of those rules. And that's why we're saying that these are rules.
Is that what they said?
They said it will not apply.
No, because new rules since 2013 have emerged.
Yes.
Concerning election petitions in particular, not because they wanted to ignore the previous ones, but because new rules have emerged.
Yes, but the fact that new rules have emerged does not mean that the rules do not still apply. Because we still use CI 47. And even when you come to Supreme Court, it is still part of it. So are you saying that because new rules has emerged, we are throwing out the old ones? No, that's what we have filed for review and saying that let's look at it. And what we are saying that, yes, and the same Supreme Court in review application says that they have taken judicial oath. If their own judgment is brought before them, they should have the courage, their conscience should be able to look at it again. And all we are asking is that the issue on interrogatories, look at it again, look at the law, And when you look at it, you can make a decision. That's all about the review. Is that your own decision? Look at it again. We are suggesting that there might be an alternative, and look at it, and let's move forward.